It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone new and old and treat them equally with great service. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.